Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's Big John here. The at's in the description below, so is all of the relevant information that may be in my previous videos or this video that we're talking about now. So today we're going to be doing a few more steps, part of the how-to playlist, how to set up MetaTrader 4 on your phone. This is an Android phone, but it will be pretty similar to an iPhone as well. So let's get straight into it. So first you want to open up MetaTrader 4. Okay, let's start with my hotkeys. As you can see in the bottom left, I've got two arrows here, which are blue, which is telling me that I'm on my trading instruments, which is what you see in front of you. It does come up as quotes, but it's my trading instruments. What I can do here is I can search for more pairs here to add more to my screen. So I can add them like this. Can do that if I want to. What I can also do here is I can rearrange the order they're in by doing this. And also here, I can get to all my hotkeys here if I press the top left. So if I press the next hotkey button, it will take me to the chart that was currently on last, which you can see here, it says US 30. So showing me my chart and the time frame I was on, which is an M15 chart. Also here, I have this, which brings up my crosshair right here. So if I want to, let's just say, see the time of a candle, as you can see at the bottom, there's the candle time when they were forming every 15 minutes. If I was to press this hotkey here, I can see all my indicators. So if I was to add MACD, and then you can see my MACD has been added. If I press this one here, I can change trading instrument. I can change to Euro USD. I can change to any trading instrument that I have here. If I click here, I can change time frame to a 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, 30-minute chart, 4-hour chart, etc. If I was to click here, I would be able to now open my trades with market executions, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. I'll do a separate video that will explain all of these. I can put the lot size I want here, 0.01. That's the smallest lot size you can have. I can also put a stop loss here and a take profit here, so it can set it all up and I can buy or sell. So if I click on this button here, it will show me any active trades that I have, which is the third hotkey. As you can see, I've got BTC USD, just to show you what an active trade looks like. I can swipe to the left, it comes up with other hotkeys. This would be for me to close the trade, but I would close at a loss at the moment. I can also split some of the profits or some of the loss now by just changing this here. So instead of it being a 1.0 lot size, it could be a 0.50. I can close and only lose $2. So I closed half of that trade. Notice how it's changed to 0.50 now. Also here, I have the pencil icon, which I can change my stop loss. So 9670. I can also change my take profit level here. So I'll just put something in, 9704, modify. If I go to the last key here, which is this one here that has the swirly line. As you can see now, I have a stop loss level set. I have a take profit level set. Not something specific, just showing you how it looks. So if I was to go over to my next hotkey, which is the fourth one on the bottom, it shows me the trade I've taken today. So see where I closed the partial profits here. So this is my trade history. So it'll show me all the trades I've taken here, and I can organize them in terms of the symbol first, order, opening time, closing time, or the profit. If I click this one right here, which is the calendar looking one, I can also change it so I can see all the trades I've taken in the last week, last month, last 3 months, or a custom period. And here, any of the news that would be out, it would be published here. And any messages that I might have would also be here as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how the timeframes work when it comes to the candlestick charts. So I'll go here. I can just press my screen in like this. I'll have a nice circle tool window that will pop up. It will say M1. So if you go here, you can see every single candle here on this chart is representing 1 minute. So one actual minute, that's 60 seconds. So it's telling me that right now there's a 1 minute candle forming right there. As you can see, it's just about to form. And then if the time goes to 52, this candle should close. Right here, you can see the candle is trying to form itself. Okay. And then I can go to the 5 minute chart here. So that means each candlestick here represents 5 minutes now. So every single candle that you're seeing here is a 5 minute candle. And then if I go to the 15-minute chart, bit bigger now, so every single candle here represents 15 minutes. And if I go to the 30-minute chart, now we're seeing that every single candlestick here represents 30 minutes. So if you notice, the candles are closer together. Now if I go to the 1 hour chart, Every single candle here now represents 1 whole hour of movement. So instead of it being loads of different candles, right now we're still just in this candle right now until 8 more minutes when this candle closes. Then if I go to the 4-hour chart, look now, you can see how it's even smaller, the amount of candles we have here, because all the data is being compressed. Each candle is 4 hours. So that tells you here, this blue candle is my bullish color candle, which is a buy candle. And this was 4 hours of a buy motion that happened. Now we go into the daily chart. So now each candle here will represent 1 whole day. So today, this is today's candle. And then once today closes, market closes, there'll be another candle that forms here. This was Friday's candle, and this was the day before that. So that was Thursday's candle. This is the weekly chart. So now each candle will represent 1 week. So now we're seeing something bigger. So you see, if you just go to here now, we're all the way in 2019. So this is 1 whole week. So we're looking at 1 whole week. So obviously the week has just started, so this candle hasn't finished. But this was last week's candle. And now we're on the monthly chart. So now we can see monthly movement. So we can see that here, this was Corona season. Unfortunately, that's why there was 3 big red candles there. And now we started to get back into a bullish momentum here, going up here. So these candles all represent 1 whole month. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to change your candlesticks into bars or into a line chart. You can put your phone horizontal to tap the screen. Notice how there, if I tap it, it turns into bars. If I tap it here, it turns back into candlesticks. And here it turns into a line. Okay, guys and girls, that about wraps it up. If there's any questions that you've got, please put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And it's your boy here, Big John. And I am out.